Welcome to our YouTube channel, Code and Chunks. So in the last session, we covered about how you can use SQL in Python. So if you have not watched that video, so watch that. It's very important. Later, we will try to cover a different series on the SQL only, because in the real project, we use some DBMS applications for that. But at least till now, you should have an idea. So for that, you can watch the previous video. Today, we are going to start a new topic, that is multi-thread in Python. So what is thread? So if suppose you are working on a browser, so here I am on the browser, okay. Suppose I am watching a video on the YouTube, okay, and this browser is a process, okay. The browser is a process in which I am applying two threads. What is first? I am playing a video. What is second? I am downloading a file. So there are two different threads, okay, and that all browser is a process. So we will see how we can achieve that multi-thread and how it's beneficial for you in the coding. Okay, so what I will do to apply the threading. Okay, so I have imported that. Just run this. So it's run. Then what I need to do, I can import one more package, that is time, because I will show you the time difference also. Okay, so I will create a function, print number list. Okay, so here I will take 0 parameter, and here I will create a list L1 in which I will have some numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, what I will do, I will apply a loop for I in L1 print I. So this will work fine. Then I will create print char list. So here I will apply character A, B, C, G, E. Okay, and this will be suppose L2. Okay, now I have two functions. I will call that functions. So firstly, what I will do, I will take a variable time dot time. Okay, then I will call first function number list, then print char list, then finished time. So time dot time. Okay, so I will subtract from the finish time to the start time. Okay, so this is the starting time, this is the finish time. So answer will be how much time that two methods take to run. Okay, so now I will run this. So you can see, firstly I have printed the number, second I have printed this, and this is the seconds. Okay, this is the timing. Now what I will do, suppose I will slip that method for few seconds. Suppose I will slip that by 1, or suppose 2, and I will select this one also. Now why I am slipping that? Suppose you have a program in that you are reading a file. So till I am reading a file, so it will take time. So for now I am not reading the file. I will just sleep that method for few seconds. Okay, because why? Because your program, if a program is reading a big file, so it will take time. So now I am not taking time, I am just sleeping that method for few seconds. Okay, now again I will run this. You can see the effect. Okay, this code will run. Then now the character one by one. Now you can see it's take 20 seconds to run. Okay, so now means here I am reading a file. Okay, here I am reading a file. So it's take 20 seconds to run. Same thing now I will do by thread. Okay, and I will show you how it's work. So for creating a thread, what I need to do, I need to create a thread object. Okay, so for that, I will create thread one. Yes, that is correct. It's giving me correct suggestion. Okay, so thread one. Okay, threading thread in the target. This target. What I will do, I will to apply number list. Then I am creating T2, thread number two. In that, the target is print character list. So those for two methods I have applied and I have created two threads. Now what I will do, I will start the thread, then I will join the thread. Okay, I will start the thread and I will join the thread. So start and join. Now I do not need to this one. Okay, so start, join, finish time. Okay, so now what I am doing here, I am getting, so I will write comments for you. Okay, so create reading, start timing, start the thread, join the thread, finish time, total time. Okay, I have write the comments for you. Okay, now just see 10. Now when this is sleeping for 2 seconds, this thread runs immediately. When this is sleeping, this threads run immediately. Okay, so you can see that effect. Okay, and see the timing also. It's totally take 10 seconds. Okay, so now what you can see here, we got different output. Okay, 10 A, then 20 B, 30 C, then one line space. Okay, that is okay. That I will show you how you can correct that. But we got the output. Okay, and now the total timing is only 10 seconds. So your code is working faster. You do not need to wait for 10 seconds. Okay, if like you will wait for the 1 second, so it's not mandatory every time you will see that output wrong output, or it's not a wrong output, output is correct, only the method, the pattern, the output pattern is different. Okay, so you can see that now. Okay, now the output is also different. Now it's taken only 5 seconds. Okay, so now the output is different. So every time it's not mandatory you will got the same pattern output, but the desired output you will got and the time will be less. Okay, so what two methods you need to understand, you need to start the thread and you need to join. Basically T1 and T2 need to join with main thread. Okay, so our that whole program is also a thread. Okay, so we have created two thread in the main thread. Okay, so what we are doing, we are joining that two thread with the main thread. I will explain those threading part, but for now this is our first video, so understand that only. okay, how you can create that, how you can start, how you can join, how you can see the difference. So that is okay for today. Like the video and subscribe the channel.